Hi, I'm Jonathan with the owner of Lat 26 Degrees, and today we're going to be following up with a teak seal that was put on this board here a couple of days ago. We didn't need to leave it this long, but this is the first time we've had a chance to come back to it, so we wanted to show you what the results are with dry teak seal. Now this teak sealer will dry within a couple of hours, be able to walk around on it within a couple of hours, and then once fully cured within 6 hours, you know, anything can go on there, spills and things of that nature. So on this side you can see I've got this treated, on this side it's untreated. As you can see, the coating is invisible. Now this is a nice new piece of teak. It's very thin, but at the same time it is a new piece of teak, and we were demonstrating, as we did on the other video, that the teak seal can go on freshly sanded teak, or it can go on new teak, basically well-oiled teak, or teak that's in good condition. You can put the sealant right on there. You don't see much of a color difference between this side and that side, which is nice. It's one of the great things about it. As far as the traction goes, you know, it gets a little slippery if you put on a lot, but that can be, you know, any type of residue that's on top there, you can simply wash off with like a white doodlebug pad or a scrub pad or something like that after it's had time to cure onto the surface. But mainly it feels really good. You still have the traction that's necessary when it gets wet, but more importantly, you'll have the repellency and the protection that you need, both the UV protection and also saltwater protection, or even just protection against spills. So I'm going to demonstrate this with a hose that I have here. So go ahead and spray it, and you can see the difference pretty quickly. This is an untreated side. You can see that, how the water just immediately soaks into the teak. And on this side here, you can see it's repelling water, which is really good. It's still a breathable coating. I want people to understand that. You want a sealant to be able to breathe. So eventually the water will soak into this, and it will evaporate out. That's going to prevent the mildew from coming through. A lot of teak, especially in South Florida or in tropical environments, will be susceptible to mildew, both on untreated and treated teak. So making our coating breathable, you know, initially where it can repel the water, but more importantly than that, it allows eventually the water to penetrate and then evaporate out. It keeps that mildew out, but still providing all the protection that you need. So as you can see, here's the surface, wet, repelling water, and then on this side, obviously just soaking right in. It's going to keep the color, which is really nice, and I wanted to show you what the long-term effects of this is going to be in our next panel.